The containment module maintains optimal humidity and temperature, essential for maximizing the venom yield required for both product lines.
Module 42 cleared for intake.
Confirmed. Transferring to conveyor.
We monitor the cardiac and respiratory rates closely. Any elevation in stress negatively impacts the venom quality, which is crucial for our research.
Once the health and potency profiles are confirmed, a precision robotic arm applies a specialized, color-coded RFID.
Settings confirmed. Maximum viscosity achieved. Ready for extraction.
This stabilization step is crucial, not for volume. A specialized robotic arm plays a non-contact microsensor array near the cobra's head. This provides real-time
The final pre-extraction diagnostics are complete. Process A and B are cleared for manufacturing of the bulk irritant and neurotoxin product lines.
Initiating process A. The robotic unit gently stimulates the cobra for venom release. This The pooled raw venom is pumped through a massive, multi-stage stainless steel filtration unit. A tech
Process A production line concludes its run. Robotic scrubbers and high-pressure steam jets.
The system confirms a 99.8% yield and high purity. All Naja Nigricollis spitting cobras have been safely returned to specialized containment.
This seal ensures the tamper-proof delivery of the concentrated defense spray compound, derived from the Naja Nigricollis spitting cobra venom.
Process B modules arriving at Airlock 1, confirming neurotoxin yield optimization parameters.
The miniature robotic shuttle transports the neurotoxin-rich venom away from the extraction station. It is immediately
The clear neurotoxin solution is transferred into specialized trays and placed inside the large industrial lyophilizer within the sterile.
The robotic arm subjects the capsules to gamma-ray analysis to confirm purity. The AI system.
This intricate labeling allows for individual tracking, providing total traceability back to the initial raw material.
The finalized Naja Nigricollis neurotoxin research capsules, designated Process B, are
The specialized Naja Nigricollis packaging utilizes redundant layers for biosecurity. A robotic laser then etches.
Confirmed. Naja Nigricollis transfer successful. Departure authorized.
Transfer sequence initiated. Monitor cryogenic levels. Copy that. All parameters nominal.
Look at the activity on the third pathway here.
If we can block that interaction, we have a candidate for the next generation anti-venom.
If we target this peptide chain, the binding affinity should decrease. Yeah.
With the purity levels from process B, we ensure...
Reviewing the Naja Nigricollis protocol. Strict containment is essential for this batch.
Confirmed. Safety checks are complete. Green status across the board.
Our research on the Naja Nigricollis neurotoxin has concluded. The successful utilization of the purified powder...
The neurotoxin capsules are ready for phase 2.
The consistency of the process B product is excellent for defense research.
The finished process B product, once contained here, proved vital for this breakthrough in countermeasure development.
As research nodes activate globally, the profound impact of this purified neurotoxin